So the question is, when I take this piece, up here it is. Yeah.
You know, and as long as it seems like a fair curve, that's the main thing. I think that's all that really matters. Do we have any better ones? I know Alex got good ones, but
Yeah, because we were working off of.
Which, you know, you mentioned, do it on your own, don't try and be. Take it on your own, don't.
Sure. Yeah. So that's the line that we have been matching up. Quarter inch up is where you have moved it to.
I mean, it's a teeny bit there, and then that is right on there.
Yeah. It's this one that's.
You know, we have to. I'm not sure exactly where it happens, but this gets notched.
Yep.
Hook into the. Because this.
Yeah, we figured out.
Documenting the stem. But was there any, were you worried that the injectors would have to be clogged?
We were worried about injectors. We were worried about blowing the gas to see steam.
Yeah.
And he said.
Going on here.
it's not exact on the inner line. And so you can
My
see
hand's much too steady. I gotta shake it up a little.
you know, it's very close.
Mm-hmm.
And considering the process that we've gone through to get here, it's pretty good, I would say.
Yeah, no, I think it's going to be fine like that.
Well, the only line you really need to worry about is the outside of the inner and the inner of the outside.
So that they match up really nicely. Yeah.
Innie of the outie and the outie of the innie.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day.
That was yesterday and you
this,
missed it.
I thought it was a bit fine too.
No, I mean, I don't know what you keep on board for spares.
Nothing yet.
This ain't cabinetry, Brent.
seems like it is. This is a cabinet maker's tool.
2-month trip and busted my throttle cable, my gear shift cable, and I think there's a spare down. And as we got up close to the anchoring point, I put it in neutral to coast up to where we were going to drop the anchor. And I wasn't slowing down, so I put it from neutral into reverse. Oh, your transom adjustment.
Not there yet.
So
It is.
You think you're going to end up describing
I think that's what we're going to end up doing. So we might as well, if we're going to saw it, then we'll square it after we do that.
Yeah.
There's no point getting it super squared now.
Yeah.
We get to redo that.
Yes.
Almost there.
Yep.
But we got too much bow back where Dale is?
Yeah, that one we couldn't figure out.
Take some off of here.
Well,
That changes.
we're assuming that they're all right, so I think it is what it is.
Battens, I'm going to find out. If when you put battens across, you put battens on here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you'll
Right on.
see what
It was a lot worse before we split this piece in
So
two.
maybe something is out once you put the battens on.
It could be. It all has to be battened up to check it.
The alternative is to take a bit off.
So we know.
Yeah.
Take a bit off there, or I think we could cut this deeper.
Okay.
But
We can take these off
I don't think that
and we'll lay it on there.
is enough to really worry about.
Nice one there.
Yeah.